So today we're going to talk about systems of equations. Now, I know for a lot of you this may be a concept that you've seen before, but you're going to see in the next couple videos that we're going to start extending this to some things that I think you may not have done before. So let's just do a quick refresher. What method are we going to use to solve this? We should use substitution. And I want to identify why we want to use substitution here, and you can see it's because we have a y that's going to be easy to solve for. Okay, so I can isolate this y. So we're going to take this out. 2x minus y equals 5. We're going to isolate this. How do we get the y by itself? Well, I'm going to move the 2x to the other side. And I get negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 5. Divide everything by negative 1. And I get y is equal to 2x minus 5, because negative divided by negative makes a positive. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to take this 2x minus 5, and I'm going to plug it in for y in that equation right there. So we're going to now, again, this is why it's called substitution, because we're going to substitute that in for y. So it's going to be going in right here, and we're going to put that 2x minus 5 in here. And now we're going to solve it. Let's distribute. And we get 5x is equal to 5x plus 4x minus 10 equals 8. 5x plus 4x is 9x minus 10 equals 8. Let's add 10. 9x equals 18. Divide both sides by 9. And x is 2. Now, this solution needs to have an x and a y value. So now that I know that x is equal to 2, we're going to go over here and get rid of this. And we're going to actually plug that 2 in for x. So it's going to be y is equal to 2. Then I'm going to plug that 2 in because I know x is equal to 2 now. And 2 times 2 is 4, so we get y is equal to 4 minus 5, so y is equal to negative 1. So the solution of this is to negative 1. And that's how we solve a system using substitution.